Funny.
Too funny. Now we got them all done here. You can use cream cheese. You can use sour cream, butter, Nutella. It's really anything that you want. So I'm gonna break one. These are really hot, so I'm gonna break one here so you can look how soft. I'm gonna come closer so you can see inside. So good. And then I'll break one more here. I know it's hot. Oh, I want to show you these small ones. You can even cut them in these small. They're so cute. It's fun for the kids. See, they're so. I'm gonna cut this one because it's cute. Ooh, but these are very hot, so they're gonna stick like this until they get warm. Not like this. This one, like, it's a first round that I did, so this is just literally just now, so it'll get, but it's still good. And then I'm gonna throw some butter. You can put a butter on it.
It's yummy.
It is so good. It's very yummy. Now we're gonna go eat. And you, if you like it, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my next treats. Bye. Taking these out.
What's it done? My daddy, my morning died. No, my morning died. My morning. Mama, my morning died.
He wants another plate. Here you go.
Yeah.
And these are the small ones. Oh, oopsie. That's okay.
Hey.
They're hot. And I only have one more left. Then we'll be back. Now we're gonna check him under. Flip him. Supposed to be only a few seconds.
Mama.
Yes, baby. Oil. And that was already on the fire, so now we're gonna start adding those small pieces. You need a fork. Now I'm gonna make one bigger one. I'm gonna make one big circle. If you need flowers, if you start getting sticky, just use the flour and go like this. And don't stretch it too thin. This is just good enough. I'm gonna cut it in small pieces. You can cut it however you want. cut it like that. Then now we're gonna go